zoyi zt-922. It is a 6,000 count 2 RMS multimeter. Its case is a ABS TPE. Its size is a 125 times xt1 times 23 mm. It weighs 117 grams. It uses battery AAA 1.5 watt 2-piece. It is have a temperature range of a home temperature 0 to 60 degrees C. DC watt 0.001 watt to 600 watt. AC watt 0.001 watt to 600 watt. And this meter in auto mode is a DC 0.8 watt and AC 1 watt. And have a resistance measure 0.1 ohm to 60 mega ohm. Capacity is a 0.001 nanofarad to 60 megafarad. Frequency is a 0.001 Hz to 10 megahertz. It have a duty cycle measure. Duty cycle 1% to 99%. Resolution is a 0.1%. You have a die test and continuity test less than 50 ohm may be B-sung on. Now see the meter now. It comes with a box, soft box. It have two models, zt-922 and zt-922S. This meter is a zt-922 no voice control module. It made in China. You have a 1 year guarantee for repair. The meter inside have advertised menu of the product, and this is the Bluetooth product of zoyi. And a guarantee card for repair card. And come with a pair of AAA battery. And a white strap for the meter. And a user manual. Okay, let's see the meter first. It comes with a box and a bag. Inside have a meter. There is the meter. And this power on switch. And this is the auto switch for AC/DC. There's a die test mode and capacitor, continuity, and resistor measure. There's a NCV functions key and the temperature of the home temperature. And there's a whole key and the backlight key. And this duty cycle Hertz and variety function suite. And this only a cover, and this is the back side of this meter. They have a backlight, and this the battery compartment for placing the battery inside. And this meter have a cover. There is the cover. You can hold it like this. For testing. This is the compartment of placing the test fan. The test fan not so long. There's more size of the test fan. It's 500 watt. Test fan. Okay, let's see the menu. This meter only have Chinese menu. We see the menu first. Okay, let's test the meter now. And before testing, we can peel off the protect skin. In that case, have a skin protect. In the outside, like this, they have a logo auto, DC valve, AC valve, die, B, cap, NCV, Hertz, duty cycle, and this have a switch, can switch on the, for the cover. and we peel off the skin protect first. Okay, now testing the meter. There's a power on. And now we test the DC voltage first for the meter. We compare to the fruit. Okay, now test 2.5 volt. 5 volt, 7.5 volt, 10 volt. It's so accuracy of like the flow. Okay, we check another function. We check for the AC wall. This meter is so 223.6. And fruit is a 222.3 about. Okay. AC voltage test finished. Now test another function. Continue the resistor function. When now in auto mode test, 1 ohm, 10 ohm, 10.02 K, 20K is so 1995 and 100.62 K. Okay, 0.5 K is okay, 1.999 is so 1.997 is accuracy. 5 met is so 4.990, 10.87 mega ohm is so 10.75, 22.3 met is so 21.86 mega ohm. Is so accuracy of this one. Okay, let's see the low ohm test. $24.25 ohm is okay. 29.9 ohm is okay. 50 ohm 40 ohm is okay. And it have a capacity function of this one by passing this width. Now in capacity mode, it shows 4x 0.9 nanofarad. It's okay. Okay, let's see another one. That's 10 mF. It's so 10.56. It's okay. This 1K. They show 1.131. It's your time for measuring of this one. And let's see the bigger one. There is a bigger one. It's so 4.497 MF. It's so accuracy of this one. Okay, let's see another function. They have a time mode. It shows the value 0.528 watt. It's okay. Die test finished. And now see the B sound of continuity first. The mix sound about 75. Let's see the latching. It's so far before. No any reading. It's so far. Only a little delay. In super fast, it's not respond very well. It's so far. In normal one in one, it's okay. Not any far, but also okay of this one. Okay, let's see the meter testing. For light on the LED. Okay, red, yellow, green, okay. Blue, white, it's okay. It can all go up all the LED. It's okay. And let's see the waveform of the meter for the resistor first. It's so 4.981 km. It's okay. And see the cap. cap also record the 1 to 0.3 nail value. It's okay. Well of this. Okay. And this meter have a warm temperature. This is the warm temperature. Is now. And if push the long part of this one, it will change the value of this one. And this will also have a NCV reach of this one. And now see the whole function. The meter so now is a 223 watt and 50 Hz, and this switch is the whole switch. It can hold the data. Now it hold the data. And push again, maybe cancel the data. Okay. And then they have a duty cycle display. Put this one in the middle. This duty cycle and the percentage of this one. Plus again, maybe return to the normal. And this will also in a cap mode there may be cancel the reading for this week. And now see the backlight. That's a backlight switch. And this switch also cover the meter and also can checking. But like this one, that's a backlight. When long pump, they will put on. But not very bright. The fast light. You can close it. And now also for cancel the testing the NCV. Now it's NCV. In long distance have a 1 bar. Near a 2 bar. Near is a 4 bar. It have 4 state. The NCV also very well. And test the cable. It also very well. And now see the light path check. In the neutral also have a 1 bar and B. F also have a 1 bar. And let's see the back test lead. Hot wire also okay. Neutral have a 1 bar and a B, come with a B. F also have a 1 bar and come with a B. Okay. And then this meter in auto mode, the DC, if DC watt is a 0.8 under may not function. may not check in auto mode. It showed the mega for this one, but now it's now voltage is a 0.5 watt. Must be rising up to 0.8 about. They may depend the real voltage of this one. Okay. And this meter have a problem if you in the case operate the switch, sometimes maybe not ready. That's okay. There may be some difficult for this one because it's hard to do for the surface case in touch the wheel. Because there's a mechanism for the pass the wheel of this one. The only mechanism passing down the switch. Okay. In the inside, it also well okay for this one. It also okay have a dance of this one, but maybe some slack. Okay, let's see other function. Let's see the meter in the normal switch. It very well of this one. Now checking the power on consumption of the meter. The max consumption is 0.0406 M, and now it's a DC 3.022 watt. And we see that the meter in low voltage may not function. There may be the battery low logo come out. This one, the logo come out. There may be 2.5 volt, maybe dim. .4 volt, not function, no any display. It have a little only. And draw current 0.04 volt. And rising up again. In a normal low battery function, 2.6 volt. In about 2.7 volt, there may be low voltage, low battery power logo. And the draw current about, in a normal, we see that. The normal draw current about 0.01 amp in 2.78 volt. Okay, let's see another function. And this meter have a auto close off function in 15 minutes. And before 1 minute, the meter maybe have a B sound come out, and that may be auto close down after 1 minute later. And this meter have a function for cancel the auto close off function. Must be use the power key and the NCV key simulating for pushing in, for come on, maybe cancel the auto off function. But this meter no any logo of the auto off function. You cannot know what the meter is in the state. And now see the meter auto close off function. And now B come out. After that, 1 minute may be close off. Okay, the meter close off. When you want to cancel the auto off function, must be put in this one and this switch. Simulation power on the meter. I have 5B. That's to cancel the auto off function. Okay, Thank you for watching. And now meter T down. There is a battery compartment. Inside of this, when you placing the battery, must be fully put inside this case. If not, the battery may be damaged. Be careful, because first one I damaged the battery. It's just like another, like this type meter. It is a case of this one. The inside no any shielding of this one. There's only the outer case. And then this meter have a two cable and no any fuse inside. The relay number is no, and they have a PTC and a resistor and the main IC. The backlight module and a BB and LED and a crystal inside of this. Let's see. And this way is for the voice module in next another type meter. In this one, no any add-on of this one. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's see the meter inside. Oh, there's a survey type switch. Expensive one of this one. And that is a LCD skin. And the inside is a backlight. We open it. There is the LCD skin. There is the backlight. The inside also have a circuit board. No anything on it. Let's see again. Okay, thanks for watching.